Hi, my name's Colin Moreh, and this is my implementation demo reel made with Wwise, Unity's 3D Game Kit, and Reaper. The focus of this reel is the implementation, so please don't forget to check out my audio redesign reel. So this is a complete audio redesign of the first level, and the implementation was from scratch as the game's original audio was all done in-engine. The first thing I did was make a list of all the events that would need to be created in Wwise and tied to objects in Unity through Wwise's AK scripts. I created all the sounds using Reaper, utilizing some sound effects banks, as well as recording some of my own with a Rode NTK and a Roland R07. The grenade golem's death is made up of 11 different audio files, all synced to the boss's on-screen animation, and complete with the sound of Pop Rock's candy for the sparks trailing at the end. The game has little pockets of alien fireflies all over the level. I made the audio for them by combining multiple hummingbirds and then made a seamless, loopable clip. For the implementation, to protect the game's performance, I limited their instances globally to 6 and sent all others with a lower priority to virtual voice in Wwise. Next, let's talk about footsteps and surfaces. Normally in Wwise, I'm used to creating a switch group and then adding switches to that group for each surface type. However, in this case, I chose to work with the game's existing programming in Unity to trigger the footstep events. In Unity, each surface material switch already existed in the footsteps source overrides script component and was already set up to trigger the appropriate sound. So by adding an AK game object script, Unity was able to directly call the appropriate event from Wwise for each surface type. I just needed to match the Wwise event name with whatever I called it in Unity. The game level has 3 ambiances and 1 music bit that are triggered by sphere colliders. To make these all flow in and out of one another seamlessly, I added AK events to play, fade in, and fade out for each of them. I then assigned these AK event scripts to the game's soundtrack volume script. Also, I'm controlling the volume of the 2 music pieces in the game with RTPCs. Using the Wwise Soundcaster allowed me to hear how everything would work together, and the last thing I did was put a compressor on the master bus to make sure that all the transients are preserved, followed by a limiter to bring up the levels and shave off any randy peaks. Lastly, let's generate the sound bank and have a very quick playthrough.